In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make thousands of dollars every single day, straight from your laptop at any age and anywhere in the world. Let's get right into it. What is good, everybody? My name is Spencer Twitchell. For those of you who don't know me, I make a lot of videos about e-commerce, growing social media, and stuff like that. So if you're interested in that kind of content, I highly recommend smashing that red button below this video. But anyways, enough about me. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make $1,000 or more per day. And I know that number sounds crazy and probably even seems fake to you, but this is actually possible. So how can people at any age make thousands of dollars a day? It's through this thing called dropshipping. Now, for a brief explanation of dropshipping, pretty much someone will come to your store and place an order for, let's say, 30 bucks. You're going to take those 30 bucks and use, let's say, $10 and pay someone else to actually fulfill the order. Basically, you don't have to do anything and you keep the profit. Now, that's a very simple explanation, but pretty much you're going to be doing that at a larger scale, and that's how you're going to be making the bulk of the money. And as proof of concept, right here, I'm going to show it on the screen somewhere. But anyways, as you can see, I'm making thousands of dollars a day by doing this exact model. But now that you know how the dropshipping fulfillment model works, how do you actually make money with it? If you want to learn how to actually do this, keep watching this video because I'm about to reveal everything. Let's get into it. So before we can actually start making money online, we need a place to sell our own products. So that being said, we need to first get a website and build our store. Now personally, I like to use Shopify. I just think it's the best e-commerce platform out there for building a store very easily. With Shopify, you can do a lot of cool things as well as customize your store to make it look exactly how you want it and make it look very professional overall. All you want to do is create a store, toy around with the design of it, and pretty much you're going to be good to go. The best part about this model is that it takes almost no money to get started. There's a $30 a month Shopify fee that you have to pay to run your store, but other than that, you're not paying that much besides apps and domain links. Now, once you have your own Shopify store, you're going to want to customize it a lot with your own logo, your own branding, coloring, whatever you want to do, just make your store look very good. I've made videos in the past on this channel about how to build a dropshipping store, so if you want to check those out, feel free. It breaks it down a lot more on how you should actually be building a store. Now, step 2 of this dropshipping process, the store is not the most important thing. The most important thing about the entire business model is the products that you're going to be selling. So the most important thing of all of dropshipping is to find that winning product, because the winning product is what's going to make you that money. Your goal with dropshipping is to find a product that will sell itself very well so you can be marginally profitable after advertising costs. I've made other videos about how to actually find these products, which I'll link somewhere here in the description, but I'll give you the quick breakdown. First thing you want to do is go to aliexpress.com. Then from there you want to go and search by categories. A personal recommendation right now is, because of the situation we're all in, go for home fitness or home and garden. Aim for categories that are relevant, because those two categories right there are selling super well right now. Now after you've picked a category to search through, you want to go and find different products within that category using the criteria I talk about in those other videos I mentioned. The gist of that criteria would be that it needs to be somewhat high ticket, which means that you need to be able to make a good chunk of money off it, and it can't be like a dollar product. And the other part of that criteria is that the product itself creates desire for people to want to buy it and just have it, or it solves a problem. Now, after following the criteria and building a big list of different AliExpress products, you want to go back through that list and find the best products in your opinion to go and test with on Facebook ads. I mentioned Facebook ads because that's the exact platform that we're going to be using to actually make this money. It's what allows us to use paid advertising to bring people to our website, and hopefully after they come to our website, they will buy our products. Now, Facebook ads are a bigger demon than I can talk about in this short little video here, but I'm going to give you a gist of what you want to try and do with it. So your whole goal with Facebook ads is to find people that may be interested in buying your product off your website. So what you want to do is target those people specifically using Facebook's targeting tools. And while you're advertising, what you need to do is create a video ad or a photo ad that best shows your product. What you want to do in these ads is just give a really good description of what your product does and hopefully create interest in the people that are looking at it. Don't worry though, you don't have to be a video expert or know how to edit videos at all, because my friends here at Viral Ecom Ads got you covered and they can make all the video ads for you. I'll put a link to that in the description if you want to go check them out. But pretty much target the people that might be interested in your product and then show them the really good video ad that has a call to action to your store. That's pretty much all there is to it. It gets a lot more specific than that in actually what you're doing, but that is the overall simple concept of it. And doing everything that I've just talked about enables me and many other people to get to thousands of dollars every single day using the dropshipping fulfillment model. Again, it may look very simple, and that's because honestly it is, but there is one very important thing to remember while doing this. The trick to actually seeing success with dropshipping is to stay consistent. Even though you may be losing money initially with the products you're testing because you're not getting any sales right away, if you stay consistent with it and find a way to fund your advertisements, you will long-term see results if you just keep pumping out different products to test, and then you'll eventually find a winner and then make some more money. Even though you may be scared because you're losing a lot of money up front with testing these products that aren't making any sales, if you can fund everything and stay consistent with what you're doing and everything on your site is functioning properly, you will eventually find that winning product that will make you thousands of dollars every single day. But if you're expecting to find success after testing only a few different products, it's not going to happen. You have to play for the long-term game and know that with consistency, you can see results. But anyways, guys, that's all from me for today. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button for me. I'd really appreciate it. But anyways, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.